Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to track sprint deliverables in Monday.com. First up, let's create a new board. Click on the plus icon on the left-hand side of your dashboard and select Board. Name it something relevant like Sprint Deliverables. This is your central hub for tracking progress. Now that we've done that, let's add our deliverables. Click Add Item and type in the name of each deliverable. I recommend creating an item for each specific task in your sprint. This is essential because it breaks down your sprint into manageable chunks, making tracking much easier. Next up, let's customize our statuses. Click on Column Center, then Status. Here, you can create custom statuses that suit your project's needs. This helps us because it enables us to visualize the exact stage of each deliverable at a glance. Now, we need to assign each task. Click on the Person column and select the team member responsible for each item. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone knows their roles and can own their deliverables. Lastly, we'll set up automation. Click on the Automate button and choose the When Status Changes to Done, Notify Someone rule. This is a game changer because it alerts the team when a task has been completed, keeping everyone in the loop. Let me explain why this matters. Tracking sprint deliverables in Monday.com not only helps in managing your tasks, but also in improving team communication and efficiency. And that's it. You've now set up a system to track sprint deliverables in Monday.com. This simple yet effective method will help keep your sprints organized and your team informed. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials.